And now we welcome back the all-American sound of the Centennial High School Marching Band. The band and his drill team have a long reputation as award winners in many local and statewide competitions. Last year they earned the coveted Sweepstakes Award in this very parade.
They've won 16 of those sweepstakes awards, or 15 or 16.
At that point, it doesn't matter. They're just good.
They drill and train so hard.
You know, I've watched these bands practice like this in high school and in college. They put a lot of time into doing this, a lot of time and effort, and not at the best hours, sometimes very, very early in the morning before school.
That is a disciplined band. You can see it in their faces. They are really focused.
They have their game faces on today.
They do. Fortunately, Warren isn't wearing his today, or I'd be terrified.
Yes.
I used to play a mean trumpet back in the fourth grade.
Did you? All right. Centennial High School Band, an award winner. We're proud of them.